Hi everyone and welcome to Brickellhost. In today's video we're going to be talking about installing WordPress from a cPanel account. For today's video I'm using our basic plan, which is the light plan, since I don't need a lot of resources. But if you have a larger website or if you have multiple websites, you're going to have to choose a pro plan or a premium plan. All web hosting plans include free SSL certificates, daily backups, free migrations, and free CDN. Our Pro and Premium plan are including more resources. And the premium plan includes a free domain name. So let's get started with the installation. First we have to do is log into our dashboard and click on our active web hosting service and log into a cPanel. Once you're logged in the cPanel, scroll down on the bottom and click on WordPress Manager. As you can see, there's no WordPress installations or anything else. So let's start with our installation. Click on install, and I prefer to use a custom installation. You can use HTTPS or HTTPS with www. That's all your choice, and we're using the latest WordPress installation version. The next step is to set up our admin username. I'm going to be using a demo, and I'm going to be using a demo as well for the password, but just make sure that you're using stronger admin password and username. And the third option is our email address. On this email, we will be receiving all WordPress notifications like updates or if there are any errors. You can leave everything by default and scroll all the way down on the bottom and click on install. Okay, so we have our WordPress installation, and let's click on our domain name. As you can see, there's a WordPress installation and the default WordPress theme, there's nothing on it. And this is our admin login URL, so let's click on it. And let's check our plugins. There should be some default plugins. We can delete these. If you don't use them, you can delete them. And pretty much that's all. I think it's easy for beginners, and if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching.